Basically, 10th Intervention, it's a group that I run alongside with my lovely girlfriend, Handelman. Hanel, please stand and wave. She's a marvelous violinist. We do a lot of music together. Kind of a cool thing that's happened to both of us individually. We're in the movie industry right now, it seems. I just won the Best Music Score award at the Scarathon, or Scarocon, which is a horror movie convention. This movie I wrote the score for actually won that. It's been winning awards at all the different festivals that it's been going through. And also, Heinel, my co-founder and also girlfriend, she is actually, if you ever see the movie The Disappearance of Eleanor Rigby, she's the violinist in the whole movie. So, go check that out. This next piece is a piece of mine that actually inspired the title of our group. It's called 10th Intervention Mineral Engine. It's a nonsense title, but it basically came from, it didn't really come from anything, but this is the first piece where I first started to feel like I was writing for big band, and it was feeling like my actual voice as opposed to mimicking you know, some of the other masters who have played this, or have written for this kind of ensemble. So, anyways, this is 10th Intervention Mineral Engine. So, soloist, whenever you get a solo, it's on the 8 times. You think we should move this down? Can you guys hear the horn solos? Like, saxophone solo, you can hear that? Cool. Alright. I'm going to give 5 to nothing. It's all 8s. At K, it's 8 times, whoever has the solo, I think that's Rick. And then there's another solo somewhere that's also 8 times. Oh, that's, Q. Yeah, Q, that's also 8 times. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, Rick and Ricky, cool. Oh, and also, one last thing. Let's give a round of applause for Steve Bloom on the guitar, Michael Eaton on the saxophone, and Seneca on the trumpet. This is 10th Intervention Mineral Engine. I'm going to count off 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. So let's give it up for Rick and Ricky. Little solos there. So we're going to soften it up a little bit. This is a love ballad. No, it's not at all. It's still softer. But anyway.